morning. Sesame is being crazy little demon this morning. It's going wild. Just woke up, had matcha with Gary. He went to go move his car, and I'm gonna go get a little bit of cardio in on my, what's today, Tuesday. I usually do upper body, and then because I'm not doing much walking, working for the whole day, I try to get some movement in. So I'm gonna do a little Peloton class on one of the kind of cruddy bikes downstairs. Our gym building, good morning. Our gym in our building, which is like a small little gym, it just opened, kind of. They didn't really announce it, but they're just letting people, they're not kicking me out. So I've kind of started going back to the gym again, which has been really nice. So I'm gonna go get some cardio in. And today I thought I would bring you guys with me. Gary and I are going to Jersey to get some PT done, sort of like a prehab day. I have some things that I like to do maintenance on. So like my hips, my Achilles, and my shoulder from my rotator cuff injury this summer that's now healed. So bring you along with us. That was so hard. Oh my gosh, I did like an egg head. I just did a 45 minutes hit inhales, and let me like catch my breath and stretch, and we'll talk a little bit about cardio right now, what my cardio routine is like. So you guys know I'm not a big proponent of lots of cardio, especially not for petite women. It is not your driver for fat loss. Strength training and nutrition is, and the reason why you see me doing a class, little cardio today, is because typically I'll rely on non-structured movement, step counts, you know, commuting, that type of thing. But because I don't have that much anymore, crotch sweat, I am making sure I reach my step count goal or my movement goal in other ways. So the rest of the day today is going to be like no movement. I'm gonna sit in a car. I'm going to have less than 1,000 steps. So it's very important to make sure you're still moving, stand up every 45 minutes, walk around, go on a couple walks every day just to get your movement up. And I'll do that on days I strength train and won't do cardio, but on days that I have upper body, which is a really low movement day, like it's not a crazy high energy expenditure or anything like that, as opposed to leg day, which is, I make sure I get a little bit of extra movement in, whether it's this, whether it's a 20-minute walk, whatever, just to make sure I feel good, I'm not just sitting all day. So that's what I've been doing, focusing on that step count goal. This would be the equivalent of working on a 10,000 step count goal daily, which is what I aim for. So we have Dave's Killer Bagel, egg whites, and oats, and peanut butter. Decent breakfast with about 400 calories, 25 grams of protein, 40 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fat. Super solid. We just cleaned the house. We're getting ready to leave, and I packed my food for the trip. I have yogurt and granola and fruit and berries. I have like a sausage, egg white, vegetable, like sweet potato scramble, and then I have a waffle and salmon, smoked salmon, and then I'm just drinking a matcha. This is also a cookie. It's a cookie dough that I like to eat. Drinking a matcha before we leave, and then we'll head off to our PT session. All right, we're on our way to New Jersey to get some rehab done with the guy who works on Gary. I've never worked with him, but apparently he's great. Do you know his background, Gary?
The clinic is called Edge PT.
Okay.
Edge PT. And I don't know his exact background, but I know that he works with a couple of UFC fighters, a couple of NFL guys, a couple of MLB players. So he's used to working with high performance athletes.
That's
and the
cool.
gym is high performance oriented. Like they only work with athletes, really.
Got it, yeah. So it's like a PT gym, PT/gym. Gary usually gets like cupping and acupuncture done. I have not done that, so I'm not sure I'm gonna jump into it today, but if maybe I will, who knows? I kind of feel like I kind of would like acupuncture on my Achilles because I feel like it would really help, but we'll see. So this is my first meal I'm eating in the car. We have raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, granola, Greek non-fat yogurt, and cacao powder, and liquid stevia.
And this is my first meal. It's a perfect bar. It's got dark chocolate and almonds.
Is that because you're perfect?
It's delicious.
So this is the gym. It's beautiful. So this is brand new.
Yeah.
It's so nice. Like being in New York City, you just don't see spaces like this. All right, we're gonna get changed. So we just left the gym. Let me show you guys. Gary, we have a flat. I don't know if you can see, hold on. And the tire's flat. Do you think there's just like a hole in it, or?
I'll see. There might be a nail in it somewhere.
Oh man. Well anyways, this is where we're at. I couldn't really film in there for you guys, but it was a good time. Did an upper body workout, and then I had some rehab done. I have a torn labrum, did some scraping on my calves. I have Achilles tendonitis. These are all like old injuries. They're not really active. They don't cause me really any significant level of pain. So it's really just like taking care of my body, and being 28, my main concern now is just to age well and to stay lean and strong and make sure my body is in good working condition since I'm not competing anymore and all that good stuff. So I'm about to eat this. This is my third or fourth meal, I can't even remember. It's eggs, turkey sausage, spinach, sweet potato, carrots. That's it. I'm gonna eat this right now. Also about to have this, you guys. This is not the cooked cookie, obviously. It's a cookie dough, but I also just eat the cookie dough. It's amazing. It's from Michelle, Your Healthy Hedonista, her Best of the Basics cooking book. It's macro friendly. And these are the Peanutters cookies. They're insanely good. And I'm gonna eat this right now. We're in Trader Joe's. You're just giving us the silent treatment.
Oh, sorry. Hey. How are you?
I have most things, but I need to get some lox, salmon, everything but the bagel seasoning. I think I'm gonna get some ground beef and maybe like look for some snacks. Gary's actually a monkey. Like, who eats that many bananas? Please explain. We just made it home and feeling very sleepy. We got a bunch of, oh, hi Sesame. You wanna say hi? Sesame. Hello. I think we're gonna make a matcha, and I still have a few meals left. I'm gonna make some cookies, some more of those cookies that I showed you in the car earlier. And I still have some salmon I'm gonna eat, and what else? I'm gonna have a waffle, kind of a weird mix of foods. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and let me know if you want to see more vlog style videos on my YouTube channel. Give this video a like, a thumbs up to help support me and the Smalletics community and channel. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.